Okay, let me.
Oh my gosh. I love. Oh boy, where is this?
Oh my god. Wow. And here's a Jimmy Fallon high school haircut.
Oh, really?
No.
Come to Denver. We have ball.
This one.
Oh my god.
And she
That's I think that's what it would sound like.
you that
So much better than you do. You completely. No. Now.
I'm blocking it. Let me see it.
This is so awful.
Dude, aim. You know, aim.
I'm blocking it. Let me see it. Nice. Did you do it? You did.
Do you know what's
Can I have an autograph for my daughter? And I'm like, fuck you. Like, what the hell is wrong with you? Oh, no.